Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading Windy Days by Deborah, Kerbel, and Miki, Sate. Please enjoy. Windy Days. For my mom, who held on tight and made sure I never blew away. Gentle wind, rising breeze, scattered fluffy milkweed seeds. Gusting wind, whoosh and whirl, flags a flutter, pinwheels twirl. Whistling wind, stormy song, tapping branches, drum along. Autumn wind, geese take flight, perfect day to fly a kite. Steady wind, turbo tower, turning airflow into power. With swirling wind, swaying trees, falling, snapping, dancing leaves. Sweeping wind, blasts and blows, tries to lift me off my toes. Roaring wind, howling sky, restless storm clouds roll by. Blustering wind, burns and shirks, nibbles on my nose and cheeks. Icy winds, fading sun, a brand new season has begun. Yeah, I know it was a windy day here where I lived at today, and it was bittery cold too. Even seen some snowflakes that were flying where I lived. It was kind of a windy day for us. But was it a windy day for you? Let me know with a thumbs up if it was a windy day for you where you was at today. Just curious. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Go thumbs up on this video. Can you do that for me? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got? I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell, and whenever I upload a video, you'll be notified about it. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr.Bookman. And this book reading is over. Have a fantastic one, everybody, and take care. And thanks for watching.